Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how to create a database, isn't it? And we have already created a database school, like create database school. In this video we will see how to create a table which is present in the database school. Okay. So first of all, let me show you how the questions come for exam. So here is the question. This is how the questions will be coming for your practical exam. They will directly give like create a table student with fields, roll number, name, gender, department and marks. Insert 5 values into it, display the table and so many different questions. So these set of questions we have to write the queries for it. And they are not saying like create a database, isn't it? So when you are opening the SQL command, after giving the password, we cannot directly create a table. Let me show you. For example, this is the database we have created previously. Now I want to create the table. So how can I create? Let me just open this command. Okay, size 24. Okay, now after entering the password, so after giving the password, like, so now if I start for creating the table, create table, and for example roll number, comma, for example let me, okay, see, you will get an error like no database is selected. Okay, so to avoid this, okay, I did not give the name of the table. You have to give the table name, student, for example student table. So when you create the table directly without creating the database, this kind of error will come. That's why I am saying when the question comes, you have to start with create database. Okay. Now for creating the database, we have already seen, and here this is the general format for creating the table. Create table, then after the space we have to give the table name and then open the bracket, first column, whatever the column is there, column name you have to specify, space the data type, and like this how many columns is required, that number of columns with the data type you have to specify in this inside the bracket, and after the completion you can end it with the semicolon. For example, I want to create a student table with roll number, name and gender. So we know that roll number means generally it will be numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 roll number. So we will use the data type integer. So after writing roll number, give one space and give integer. Then put one comma. The next column like name. If the next column is name, then you can give like varchar. The data type will be varchar and give a maximum size. Okay, you can give up to 30 and then close the bracket, then comma gender. So gender, I gave the data type as char, and inside the bracket I have given the maximum size as 1. So 1 is the fixed size. So for gender we can give the values like M, F, isn't it? Then after that close the bracket, the main bracket also, and then put semicolon. So this is the query for creating the student table. Now in the next video we will see the practical demonstration of it. Thank you.